Hey y'all, it's CJ with Smoky Beginnings, and today we're going to go over how to make pit barrel cooker smoked mac and cheese. It's ooey, it's gooey, it's delicious, it's bacony. So if you're ready, I'm ready. Well, let's go. First, let's start by boiling a pot of salted water. Then we'll add a full box of elbow macaroni, and we're going to cook it per the instructions on the box. While the noodles are cooking, it's time to make the cheese sauce. And it's pretty simple. It's going to be 1 egg, 2 cups of milk, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2.5 cups of shredded cheese, and then salt and pepper to taste. Now that our noodles are cooked and our cheese sauce has been made, it is time to assemble the macaroni and cheese. We're going to do that by putting all the ingredients into a casserole dish before placing it on the pit barrel cooker. I have already started the pit barrel cooker, and today we're going to be cooking on applewood, which is going to give this macaroni and cheese a nice layer of smoky goodness. And the cooker is running right around between 250 and 275 degrees Fahrenheit. After placing the casserole dish on the grate, I'll insert the rods and I'll close the lid, and then I will check back in about 15 minutes to see how the macaroni and cheese is doing. While we're waiting for the mac and cheese to cook, I'm going to pan fry some bacon. I went ahead and used an entire package of thin cut bacon, and we're going to get this nice and crisp before we chop it up and add it to our mac and cheese. Once the bacon has finished cooking, go ahead, put it on a cutting board and chop it up real finely. You're going to sprinkle this on top of the mac and cheese that is currently on the pit barrel cooker. So the mac and cheese has been on the pit barrel cooker for about 30 minutes. The whole cooking process is probably going to take about 45 minutes. After the first 15 minutes, I stirred the mac and cheese around to get a good consistency and to make sure that everything was getting an equal level of smoke. Now, at the 30-minute mark, I'm adding the bacon and I'm adding some additional cheese here, and then I'm going to put some tin foil on top. As of right now, this mac and cheese doesn't need any more smoke. If you want a little bit of smoke, you would keep this covered the entire time. If you want a medium level of smoke, you would cover this about halfway through. And if you want a lot of smoke on this mac and cheese, then you cover it at the very last part of it, which is going to be adding the bacon and melting the extra cheese. After a total cooking time of 45 minutes, I went ahead and I removed the mac and cheese from the pit barrel cooker, and this is what we have. Some nice ooey gooey mac and cheese that's been smoked on the pit barrel cooker. If you like content like this, make sure to like and subscribe, as that's the best way to support this channel. I'll leave a link in the comments with the recipe. Till next time, keep those fires burning and those taste buds tingling. Have a good one.